Senator Hickenlooper.
Thank you, Chairman Sanders and Ranking Member Cassidy. I am, as I was last Congress, excited to continue to serve on the HELP Committee. This committee handles some of the most challenging issues facing our nation. I spent a lot of time working and intend to continue working on pandemic preparedness and rebuilding our public health infrastructure, helping build a 21st century workforce, and really educating the next generation of doers. I'm delighted to continue to chair the Employment and Workplace Safety Subcommittee, trying to expand apprenticeship opportunities, other ways of educating a broader cross-section of Americans, rethinking how we approach workforce training. Chairman Sanders, I'm looking forward to working with you on expanding access to community health care, especially with community health centers, but not limited to that, bolstering the healthcare workforce and finding better pathways to entry into that field and creating more equity in that workforce, making sure that we continue to lower the price of prescription drugs, which affects all of us. And as was also mentioned earlier, high-quality early childhood education. Back when I was mayor, many years ago, we were the first city in America to do a ballot initiative to create a sales tax that guaranteed every 4-year-old high-quality early childhood education back in 2005. Ranking Member Cassidy, I know you'll be a steadfast and capable co-leader of this committee. I'm looking forward to continuing to work together on our many areas of shared interest, including pandemic preparedness, biosecurity, but also, as we've talked many times about, early literacy, or not early literacy, but full literacy. And I think making sure that many, if not all, of our third graders can read at grade level is not a moonshot. It's not an impossible thing to put within our goals. Together, we've got important work to do in reauthorizing a number of the critical public health programs. Again, I include community health centers here that make us better prepared for the next pandemic. If you look across the country, during the pandemic, community health centers became major points of access to make sure that people got tested and people got vaccinations. I think infrastructure like that, we've got to make sure that we've rebuilt and that we're ready for the next pandemic. We need to make sure that our students have every tool they need to succeed, including addressing the learning loss and highlighting proven early literacy solutions, just so we don't come out of this pandemic letting a whole generation suffer. These are some of the best and most critical challenges and our needs as a nation. I guess I shouldn't say best, but some of our greatest challenges. And I know that all of us will rise to the occasion before us together. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I yield back.